We've now got a little bit of knowledge around JSX, and so now it's time for us to practice what we've learned. So to do so, I would like for you to work on a tiny little exercise. In this exercise, you're going to make some changes to the component screen component that we just put together. So inside there, I would love for you to show two separate text elements. The first element should say, Getting Started with React Native, and it should have a font size of 45, as you see right here. Then the second element should say, My name is blank, and have a font size of 20. And then as a special requirement, for that second text element, try to assign your name to a JavaScript variable ahead of time, and then print it up inside of that JSX element. As a quick side note here, you'll notice that each of these different text elements should have a different font size. Just as a quick aside, down here inside this styles object right here, we can add in as many different separate groups of styling as we want. So let's say that we want our first piece of text to have this font size of 30. If we then wanted to have a second piece of text and style it, we can add in a comma, and then maybe we would create another style object inside of here called like subheader style, because in this case, this kind of is a subheader right here. And then we could apply an object to it and put in our own set of styling rules inside of here with maybe like a font size of 20 or whatever else. Then to apply or reference that second style right there, we would write out inside the style prop of some text element, styles.subheader style, like so. Okay, I'm going to undo that change really quickly. Okay, so go ahead and give this exercise a shot. If you get stuck at any point in time, don't sweat it. We're going to go over a solution together in the next video. In addition, if you just don't feel like doing this exercise at all, no problem, just skip to the next video. So quick pause and I'll see you in just a minute.